Why do some locations become valuable before everyone starts talking about them? It's not always because of what exists there today, sometimes it's because of what's coming next. Look at any rapidly developing region. First, infrastructure starts changing, a new road improves access, a better highway reduces travel time. Connectivity opens up new routes to markets and businesses, and gradually the character of the entire area begins to change. The World Bank has consistently highlighted how better transport connectivity can improve access to jobs, services, and economic opportunities. And according to Invest India, infrastructure development plays an important role in supporting industrial activity, investment, and the growth of new economic centers. But here's what often gets overlooked. Infrastructure doesn't just connect places, it changes the way people and businesses interact with those places. A location that was once considered too far suddenly becomes accessible. Businesses begin looking at it differently. Demand starts moving outward, and what was once an emerging area can gradually become a growth corridor. This is why connectivity is such an important factor when evaluating a real estate location. With access to NH6, Kona Expressway and Belghoria Expressway, Kolkata West International City sits within an expanding connectivity network. And the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, continues to focus on strengthening road infrastructure and connectivity across the country. Because the value of a location isn't determined only by where it stands today, it can also be shaped by how connected it becomes tomorrow. So when you're evaluating a location, don't just ask what is here today, ask what is getting connected to it next. Because sometimes the biggest opportunity isn't where growth has already arrived. It's where the infrastructure is taking it next.